Hey, what's up guys? It's Graham here, and today we're talking about something that's close to my heart, becoming a YouTube finance creator. Let me tell you, this isn't just a trend, it's a revolution in how people learn about money. When I started my channel, I had no idea it would blow up like this. But here we are, and the finance niche on YouTube is hotter than ever. Why? Because people are hungry for real, actionable financial advice. They're tired of the old school, boring money talk. They want someone who speaks their language, someone who can break down complex topics into bite-sized, easy-to-understand chunks. And that's where you come in. As a finance YouTuber, you have the power to change lives, to help people make smart money moves, and yeah, to build a pretty sweet career for yourself too. But let's be real for a second. Starting a YouTube channel isn't a walk in the park. It takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of coffee, or in my case, iced tea. But if you're passionate about finance and love sharing your knowledge, it can be one of the most rewarding things you'll ever do. Trust me, I've been there, and I wouldn't trade this journey for anything. So, are you ready to dive in? In this guide, we're going to cover everything you need to know to start and grow your own finance YouTube channel. From picking your niche to engaging with your audience, we'll leave no stone unturned. Let's get started on your path to becoming the next big finance creator on YouTube. Alright, let's talk about why finance is the place to be on YouTube right now. First off, the demand is insane. People are always looking for ways to make more money, save more money, or invest their money better. And let's face it, most of us didn't learn this stuff in school. So there's a huge knowledge gap that you can fill with your content. But it's not just about the demand. The finance niche on YouTube is like a gold mine when it comes to monetization. Why? Because advertisers love finance content. They know that people watching finance videos are often in a money mindset, which makes them more likely to engage with ads. This translates to higher CPM rates. That's the amount you earn per 1,000 views, compared to many other niches. Now let's talk about impact. When you create finance content, you're not just entertaining people, you're potentially changing their lives. Your video on budgeting could help someone get out of debt. Your explanation of index funds could set someone on the path to retirement. That's powerful stuff, and it's incredibly rewarding to know you're making a real difference. Another reason to choose finance? It's evergreen content. Sure, trends come and go, but people will always need to manage their money. This means your videos can continue to rack up views and generate income long after you've published them. It's like planting a money tree that keeps growing over time. And let me tell you, there's nothing better than waking up to see your passive income growing while you sleep. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of starting your finance YouTube channel. First things first, you need to choose your specific niche within finance. This could be anything from budgeting and saving to investing in real estate or cryptocurrencies. My advice, pick something you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. If you're excited about the topic, it'll show in your videos, and your audience will feel that energy. Next up, you need to set up your YouTube channel. This is pretty straightforward, but there are a few key things to keep in mind. Choose a catchy finance-related name for your channel. Make sure it's something easy to remember and type. Create an eye-catching banner and profile picture that reflect your brand. And don't forget to write a killer about section that tells viewers exactly what they can expect from your channel. Now let's talk equipment. The good news is, you don't need a Hollywood studio to get started. A decent smartphone camera, a simple microphone, and some basic editing software are enough to create high-quality content. As you grow, you can invest in better gear, but don't let equipment be a barrier to getting started. Remember, content is king. Viewers care more about what you're saying than whether you have the fanciest camera. Lastly, before you hit record on your first video, take some time to plan out your content strategy. What topics will you cover? How often will you post? What's your unique angle or perspective? Having a clear plan will help you stay consistent and focused, which is crucial for growing your channel. And don't worry if things change as you go along. Flexibility is key in the YouTube game. Now that you've got the basics set up, it's time to dive into content creation. This is where the rubber meets the road, folks. Your first few videos might feel awkward, and that's okay. We all start somewhere. The key is to keep pushing through and focus on delivering value to your audience. Remember, you're here to help people understand finance better. When it comes to video ideas, the possibilities are endless in the finance niche. You could do explainer videos on complex financial concepts, reaction videos to financial news, personal finance tips, or even day-in-the-life vlogs showing how you manage your own money. Mix it up to keep things interesting for your audience and for yourself. And always be on the lookout for trending topics in the finance world that you can put your own spin on. One strategy that's worked well for me is creating series of videos. For example, you could do an Investing 101 series or a 30 Days to Better Budgeting challenge. This not only helps you plan your content in advance, but also encourages viewers to keep coming back for the next installment. Plus, it's a great way to showcase your expertise on a particular topic. Don't forget about the technical aspects of your videos. Use attention-grabbing thumbnails and titles. These are your first impression on potential viewers. Include relevant tags and descriptions to help your videos show up in search results. And always encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. It might feel cheesy at first, but it really does help grow your channel. Remember, YouTube is as much about building a community as it is about creating content. Section 5. Monetization: making money from your finance videos. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: making money. As a finance YouTuber, you've got several avenues for monetization. The most obvious is through YouTube's partner program, which allows you to earn money from ads played on your videos. To qualify, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you hit these milestones, apply ASAP. But here's where it gets really interesting for finance creators. Remember those higher CPM rates I mentioned earlier? Yeah, they're no joke. Finance videos often earn significantly more per view than many other niches. Why? Because companies are willing to pay top dollar to advertise to an audience interested in financial products and services. It's not uncommon for finance YouTubers to earn $20 to $30 per 1,000 views, compared to the $2 to $5 you might see in other niches. Sponsorships are another great way to monetize your channel. As you grow, financial companies may reach out to sponsor your videos. This could be anything from mentioning their product in your video to doing a full review. Just remember to always be transparent with your audience about sponsored content. Your integrity is your most valuable asset in this game. Don't forget about affiliate marketing. You can earn commissions by recommending financial products or services to your audience. This could be anything from credit cards to investment platforms. Just make sure you only recommend products you truly believe in. Your audience's trust is worth more than any commission, and always disclose your affiliate relationships. It's not just ethical, it's required by law. Section 6. Engaging your audience: community building tips. Let's talk about one of the most important aspects of being a successful YouTuber: building and engaging with your community. This isn't just about racking up views and subscribers, it's about creating a loyal audience that trusts you and values your content. And in the finance niche, trust is everything. First up, respond to comments. I know it can be time-consuming, especially as your channel grows, but it's crucial. When viewers see you engaging with comments, they're more likely to leave comments themselves, which boosts your video in YouTube's algorithm. Plus, it helps create a sense of community around your channel. You don't need to respond to every single comment, but try to address questions and thoughtful responses when you can. Consider hosting live streams or Q&A sessions. This gives your audience a chance to interact with you in real time, which can be incredibly valuable for building that personal connection. You could do monthly Ask Me Anything sessions about personal finance, or live reactions to major financial news events. These types of interactive content not only engage your current audience, but can also attract new viewers. Don't limit your community building to just YouTube. Use social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, or even TikTok to share bite-sized financial tips and engage with your audience. This not only helps you stay connected with your viewers between uploads, but can also drive traffic back to your YouTube channel. And who knows, you might even go viral on another platform, bringing a whole new audience to your finance content. Section 7. The benefits of being a finance content creator. Now, let's talk about why being a finance content creator is so awesome. First off, you get to be your own boss. You decide what content to create, when to upload, and how to run your channel. There's a freedom in that you just can't get with most traditional jobs, and as your channel grows, so does your ability to work on your own terms. Another major benefit, you're constantly learning. To create great finance content, you need to stay up to date with the latest trends, news, and strategies in the financial world. This not only makes you a better content creator, but also helps you manage your own finances more effectively. It's like getting paid to educate yourself. How cool is that? let's not forget about the networking opportunities. As a finance YouTuber, you'll have the chance to connect with other creators, financial experts, and even companies in the industry. These connections can lead to collaborations, sponsorships, and other opportunities you might never have had otherwise. I've made some great friends and valuable business contacts through my YouTube journey. But perhaps the most rewarding benefit is the impact you can have on people's lives. The messages I get from viewers telling me how my videos help them get out of debt, start investing, or just feel more confident about their finances, that's priceless. Knowing that you're making a real difference in people's financial lives is incredibly fulfilling. It's not just about the money you can make, although that's nice too. It's about the positive change you can create in the world. Section 8. Case Study. Meet the millionaire next door. Let's dive into a real-life success story that'll show you what's possible in the finance YouTube space. Meet Sarah, the creator behind Smart Money Sarah. 5 years ago, Sarah was working a 9-to-5 job in accounting, feeling unfulfilled and itching to share her passion for personal finance. She started her YouTube channel as a side hustle, creating videos about budgeting, investing, and frugal living. At first, growth was slow. Sarah uploaded consistently, posting 2 videos a week about her own financial journey and tips she'd learned along the way. She focused on being authentic and relatable, sharing both her successes and failures. After 6 months of grinding, her channel hit 1,000 subscribers. That's when things started to snowball. One of Sarah's videos, How I Saved $100,000 by age 25, went viral, racking up over 1 million views in a week. This catapulted her channel to new heights. Suddenly she was gaining thousands of subscribers a day. But Sarah didn't let this success go to her head. She doubled down on creating valuable content, always putting her audience first. Fast forward to today and Smart Money. Sarah has over 2 million subscribers. Sarah was able to quit her day job 2 years ago and now runs her YouTube channel full-time. She's expanded into courses, a podcast, and even wrote a best-selling book. But more than the financial success, Sarah says the most rewarding part is the community she's built and the lives she's been able to impact. Her story shows that with passion, consistency, and a focus on providing value, anyone can build a successful finance YouTube channel. Section 9. Staying relevant. Keeping up with financial trends. In the fast-paced world of finance, staying relevant is crucial. You need to be on top of the latest trends, news, and developments in the financial world. This doesn't mean you need to be an expert on everything, that's impossible. But you should have a good grasp of what's happening and be able to explain it to your audience in a way they can understand. So how do you stay up to date? First, make reading financial news a daily habit. Follow reputable financial websites, subscribe to finance-focused newsletters, and maybe even pick up a Wall Street Journal subscription. Twitter can also be a great resource for real-time financial news and discussions. Follow financial experts, institutions, and fellow finance creators to stay in the loop. Don't shy away from new and emerging topics in finance. Cryptocurrencies, NFTs, sustainable investing, these are all areas that have exploded in recent years. While you don't need to become an expert overnight, being able to discuss these topics can help keep your content fresh and relevant. Just make sure you do your research and understand the basics before creating content on new topics. Remember, your audience relies on you for accurate, timely information. If there's a major event in the financial world, like a stock market crash or a new government policy, be ready to create content around it quickly. This might mean adjusting your content calendar or even doing a live stream to discuss breaking news. Being responsive to current events can help you attract new viewers and keep your existing audience engaged. Section 10. Maximizing your earnings advanced strategies. Alright, you've got your channel up and running, you're creating great content, and you're starting to see some income. Now let's talk about how to take things to the next level and really maximize your earnings as a finance YouTuber. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. These strategies take time to implement, but they can significantly boost your income in the long run. First up, diversify your income streams. Don't rely solely on YouTube ad revenue. Create digital products like ebooks or courses that dive deeper into topics you cover in your videos. These can be great passive income generators. You could also start a Patreon or membership program, offering exclusive content to subscribers who pay a monthly fee. This not only provides a steady income, but also helps you build a more dedicated community. Consider branching out into other platforms. While YouTube should remain your main focus, cross-posting your content on platforms like IGTV, TikTok, or LinkedIn can help you reach new audiences and drive traffic back to your YouTube channel. You could even start a podcast to complement your YouTube content. The key is to repurpose your content efficiently so you're not stretching yourself too thin. Don't underestimate the power of collaborations. Partnering with other finance creators or even creators in related niches can expose you to new audiences and lead to more subscribers and views. These collaborations can take many forms: guest appearances on each other's channels, joint live streams, or even creating a shared course or product. Just make sure any collaboration aligns with your brand and provides value to your audience. Section 11. Conclusion. Your journey to financial content success. Alright, we've covered a lot of ground here. From starting your channel to maximizing your